Heading into Walmart right now. I don't know. I think there's locks. I don't know what they do with the door. I guess they locking one side and keeping one side open. That's kind of crazy. But like I was saying, this is a continuation from the other video. But like I was saying, heading to Appleton and get up there. I heard it's supposed to be like negative 17. I'm not used to that type of weather. I mean, I'm in North Carolina right now, and it's only like 30, 31 degrees. But I want y'all to take this journey with me now.
How you get two things?
All right.
Well, you got more than two things.
We in Walmart. Find out where the gloves at. Walmart in North Carolina. That's what ours look like. I don't know what Appleton's don't look like. Got to be around here somewhere. But I want y'all to leave some comments for me. Let me know how I'm doing, cause it's only like the third time I've been up here. Let me know. Let me know if doing pretty good. Okay, I found some gloves. Thing is though, these gloves are for North Carolina weather, not for that type of weather I'm going into. So hope I grab the right one. I'm gonna grab some, I guess to keep me warm up until I get to where I'm going. I think I got to go through Chicago. Yeah, actually I do got to go through Chicago and Milwaukee before I get to Appleton. Okay. I like these orange ones. Yeah, alright. Oh. Okay, found some. These Wales Lamont gloves. They got touchscreen on. I don't know what touchscreen is, but these should work. They match my coat anyway. So let's see what else. Oh, I gotta get some thermals. Need to get me some thick socks. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get me some socks. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go with some black ones. It's not bad. Gotta go with black, cause black attracts heat. What's up, man? Thermals. You know what, man? I'm kind of nervous to be going up there. And I hope I don't catch no frostbite or nothing. Cause I don't No toes to be cut off, no fingers, no nose. Excuse me. None of that stuff. But let's see. Where are the thermals? Let's see, what else? Like I was telling y'all, it's my first time going out of well, I haven't told y'all, first time going out of state. Actually, I've been to North Carolina. I've been to Florida and Disney World area, and I've been to Atlanta, Georgia. That's it. So this is a real journey for me. So I'm excited and ready to make some changes in my life. But I'm gonna end this video right here. I can't seem to find these thermals. I go and find these thermals and get on up out of here. But y'all want to, I'm going to hit that subscribe button, make a brother happy, and add some comments. You know what I'm saying, let me know how I'm doing, because like I said, I'm gonna document my whole trip, my journey. Hopefully part of some training, and when I first get in the tractor trailer and start driving, I'm planning on documenting all that. So y'all hit subscribe now, give me some comments. For right now, over and out.